Welcome to this step-by-step guide on sizing a mini solar system for your home. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills or embrace a sustainable lifestyle, this video will walk you through the essential calculations and component selections needed to design a solar system that's right for you. Step 1. Calculation of total load. Let's start by calculating the total load. Imagine you have 6 LED lights, each consuming 15 watts, and 2 fans, each using 80 watts. This gives us a total load of 250 watts. This figure is crucial as it will guide the selection of the inverter, battery, and solar panels. Step 2. Inverter Selection. With a total load of 250 watts, it's wise to choose an inverter with a slightly higher capacity for safety and efficiency. In this case, a 300-watt inverter is a good choice. The DC current needed is given by the formula. Current equals power divided by voltage, so 250 divided by 12 is 20.83. We take the current as 20 amperes. Step 3. Battery Selection. Next, let's move on to battery selection. If we assume the system will be operational for 8 hours and we're using a 12-volt battery, we calculate the required battery capacity to be approximately 166.67 ampere hours. In our case, the standard battery rating is a 200 Ah battery. For charging, the current should be about 10% of the battery's Ah rating, which in this case is 20 amperes. Step 4. Solar panel selection. Finally, we need to determine the solar panel requirements. The total current needed is the sum of the battery charging current and the load current, which totals 40 amperes. Using the formula, power equals voltage times current. The required solar panel power is 480 watts. For practical purposes, let's choose a 550-watt solar panel, which is more than sufficient to meet the system's needs. And that's it. You've now completed the basic steps to size a mini solar system for your home. With this setup, you can harness the power of the sun and take a significant step toward energy independence. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to clean energy.